Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video is going to be a very quick food vlog. As you can see, I'm in the pantry's office namin because people are busy right now, so I don't want to disturb them with my very loud voice, if you know what I mean. And I have sipon, yeah. So, today's video is going to be super fun because naimbitahan ako sa District 189 together with some of really amazing vloggers, and we had a really good time and we were able to eat really good food. My god, you guys, I highly recommend that you visit District 189. And I'm not saying this because we got invited, I'm saying this because legit yung mga natikman namin na pagkain doon was amazing. It was so worth it sa money mo. Hindi siya super pricey. Ang laki ng serving. Yung ambiance is maganda. Hindi mainit. May mga food park kasi na parang alam mo yun, ang init-init ng kapaligiran and all that. Pero that place, okay yung ventilation and everything. And hindi siya parang, alam mo yun, super duper public. May gate. So, alam mo yun, may privacy ka pa rin kahit paano. And yun nga, yung mga food na natikman namin was amazing. Yung golden chops and steaks, yung tres pañeros, yung prime roast, milk fish, ano ba, indulge, and moonleaf. Mamaya makikita nyo lahat ng mga kinain namin and yung mga vloggers na nakasama ko. So, yeah. So basically, this is just, you know, an introduction of this vlog. So please do watch the entire vlog. And I'm pretty sure may enjoy nyo. Maglalaway kayo sa mga pagkain na nakain namin. So I went there with Hope Lial, Bing Castro, Joy Sisola, si Kim Mendoza, and then andun din si Madam Aisha, si Purple Aries, and then who else was there? Yeah, basically yun yung group namin together. So yeah, thank you so much District 89 for inviting us. And you know what's good, you guys? May mga days doon, probably I think Friday, merong mga gigs. So alam mo yun, perfect place siya for family, for barkada, for dates. Yes, kasi ang daming choices, you guys. Ang daming choices na pagkain. Tapos meron din place para may area na may air condition. Oo, tama. And then there's beer. There's a lot of choices for dessert, for drinks, and may Korean din. Amazing. I enjoy that. So yung address niya, hold on. So yung address niya, it's located at 289 Banawe, corner M. Cuenco Street, Barangay Lourdes, Sentiment Heights, Quezon City. So basically, pag nasa Quezon Avenue ka, alam yung Santo Domingo Church. After Santo Domingo Church, merong kanto doon ng BPI. If I'm not mistaken, you turn right. And then, unang kanto, turn left, yun na yun. So, you guys, if you're looking for a really nice food park na, alam mo, hindi masyadong crowded, my privacy, really good food choices, and really nice ambiance, I really recommend District 89. So, without further ado, please check out my food vlog at District 89.
Hello, ma'am! Ala na sila siya! Alayo na narating! Pati parking lot po!
Ikaw ba yung nag-invite sa'yo?
Pati parking lot kailangan i-vlog!
May nakita ko kung sa'yo yung landmark.
Ah, yung landmark!
Lagay ko lang lang yung address. Ganyan ko talaga kaliit yung daan. Hindi na ako cashier.
Pag may pasok na ba tayo? Tara po. Ate, pwede na po bang pumasok? Excuse me po.
Maganda yan for look ni Harris. Kaibigan ko yung look ni Harris. She is always on my mind. Every time I wake up, till I close my eyes.
din.
Salamat po.
Ano foundation ulit gamit mo, be?
Bobby Brown lahat.
Yaman? Alis na ako.
Dudurop na mga pagkain. I'm craving right now. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Again, please do visit District 89. Amazing. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.